This is the XDS test channel from Westwood One Technical Operations Center in Purchase, New York.
Radios will the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The forecast. Mostly sunny. Highs 76 to 86 higher elevations, 83 to 91 lower elevations. Prevailing northeast winds up to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the northwest in the afternoon. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows 55 to 65. Prevailing southwest winds up to 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Thursday. This is a test of... This is a test of NOAA radio's warning alarm device, and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The extended forecast for the west slope of the northern Sierra Friday, partly cloudy. Shifting to the southeast after midnight. Thursday, mostly sunny. High 67 to 77.
Well, how about that? Something I like to see every Wednesday is a perfect activation. I'm going to put this back to channel 7. There we go. But alright, all my radio is activated. No more 15 minutes, no more 15 minutes. Good. Got that one. Let's see. Whoops. Surprisingly, the no message glitch has not appeared lately. And then you can see that one activated. And then obviously Sangine activated. And then there's the second one. Alrighty guys, catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like this RWT videos that I always bring out every Wednesday. Or at least any other time whenever a test occurs. But yeah, tell me what you think. Drop a Drop a comment down below in the comment section. Be sure to like this video if you liked it, if you like the content that I bring out, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.